Hey everyone, it's Kim, and I am here because I got some happy mail from the lovely Shelly, who is Crafty Cottage Dreams on YouTube, and I will have a link to her channel in the description box below. She did post a video of this happy mail, so I did peek. Because I wasn't sure. It did say for Kim in the title, but I wasn't sure if I was the Kim, so I did end up seeing the video, but I'm so thrilled and excited. So thank you, Shelly. It's here and I'm very excited. So I just cut the end off the beautiful pink package. So let me just pull everything out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Did I get everything? I think so. Yep. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Please put your favorite things in this bag. How to organize your small items. Storage number 1. Let's see what's in here. These are cool little bags, Shelly. Oh my goodness. There we go. Oh, look. It's a tassel. Oh, that's so pretty. And I'm going to be making a journal soon, so I think you may see a couple of these items on a journal. Look at this. And Shelly's also on my Angeldreamcrafts design team. I love this ribbon. Look at the little hearts. So pretty, Shelly. And look at the heart here. Excuse me. Oh, it's so pretty. Thank you so, so much. I love that. Put that back in the bag. And then let me just move these things over here. First of all, is there a card? Yes, there is. Let me read the card now. I should have read that first. Beautiful card. Oh my goodness. It's an envelope. So we'll see what's in here. And she's got a paper heart and lots of little snippets and this really shabby bow. And then a dangle here with a really tiny little heart. And then a paper clip here with a love charm. So let me pull that off. And then in the envelope, oh, look it, so pretty. Let me read what this says. Kim, from my house to yours, small little token, aka happy mail of my appreciation. Hope you love as much as I had crafting these. Shelly. Oh, you're so sweet, Shelly. Thank you so much. Yeah, Shelly is super talented, which is why she's on my team. Her work is beautiful, so yeah, definitely go over and check her out. I'm just going to put these things here. And then the next little bag is a Hello Kitty bag. It says, I love apple pie, which I do. Let's see what's in here. Oh, it's an altered safety pin. Look at this. Oh, it has my name on it. Look, Kim. So cute, Shelly. I love that. Thank you. Love, love, love. And then there's another, oh, that's a big bag. Okay, let's do this. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. She made this tassel, and this is chenille on the bottom, and I have to tell you, this is so soft. Oh my goodness, that is the softest chenille, and I need to know where you got some of this, girl. Oh, that makes beautiful tassels. Oh, it's so soft. And look at these beads. Oh, wow, that's amazing. And it's got a little bow and a little rose charm. Can you imagine that on the side of a shabby journal? Oh my gosh. I just want to pet this. It's so soft. So pretty. Shelly, you did not have to send me happy mail. And then there's this package here, and on the side is this beautiful altered clip here. Wow. And I had seen Shelly's flowers that she had made. She posted these on Facebook with this gorgeous fabric, and I messaged her and asked her where she got the fabric from. She couldn't remember, unfortunately. She said she'd had it for a while. So she made me some goodies with that fabric. Oh my gosh, look, it's got dyed seam binding here and some fabric that she sprayed, and this beautiful wedding applique sticking out the side, and beautiful eyelash trim. I mean, it's just gorgeous, and it's all backed on a doily with a clip. I think it's like a brooch. It's beautiful. I love it. There's eyelash trim. Pearls. Wow, Shelly, that's gorgeous. And some bling right there. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And last but not least, it's another one of these cool bags. Oh, can't open it. And these are her handmade flowers, which I love, love, love. Oh my goodness, look at these. This fabric is so pretty. It's got little tiny like baubles on it, and then it's got little rosebuds. And she made like the flowers that you put in the candle, and you just kind of burnish the edges. And she's got cheesecloth and a flat back pearl in the center of that one. And this one she's done in pink and blue. Oh, the blue fabric is gorgeous. Yeah, if you ever come across this fabric again, Shelly, please let me know. It's so pretty. Okay. My gosh, these are going to have to go on a very special project, and then there's these two. I love them so much. You are the sweetest lady. And you can see, guys, she's very, very talented. And I'm very lucky to have her on my design team. So thank you, Shelly, for this beautiful happy mail. It came at the right time, let me tell you. It was a nice pick-me-up to get this in the mail, and I so appreciate it. And I appreciate you and all your beautiful work that you do on the team. And thank you so much for your kindness. I really appreciate it. Mwah! Thank you. And I will be back with another video soon, guys. Go check out Shelly's channel. The link's below. Bye.